Microsoft claims 50% faster load times for Windows 11 apps via native AOT support. Microsoft says it will offer 50% faster loading times and up to 8x smaller memory footprint in Windows 11 applications through native AOT support. Native ahead-of-time compilation improves Windows 11 app performance drastically. Windows 11 apps can be a mess, and a lot of them are currently facing issues such as slow launch and performance lags. This has made the experience on Windows 11 a nightmare for users who would want to download the apps from their App Store. However, the recent claim by Microsoft is looking good for Windows App SDK-based applications. The latest Windows App SDK 1.6 is now offering much better performance. Windows App SDK has been problematic for countless developers, as the SDK has been known to cause various performance issues with app development. While there have been efforts by Microsoft to mitigate these issues, many issues still exist that have made using WinApps-based apps a nightmare. With the integration of native AOT ahead-of-time compilation, Microsoft claims that the performance of apps has greatly improved along with better app interactions. Native AOT apps won't use the just-in-time compiler and can run on systems without net runtime installed. Typically, a lot of WinApps apps would launch very slowly and many of them would introduce bugs. With the native AOT support, the developers can now optimize their apps significantly. According to Microsoft, the native AOT compilation can quicken the launch time of apps by 50%. Reduce the app size by up to 8 times. Reduce the app size by 2x when utilizing the SDK in self-contained mode. There are several other additional features and improvements with the native AOT support which promise to improve the overall experience with the apps. These include enhanced package management APIs for more efficient application management, decoupling of WinApps from Edge Web View 2 for better flexibility in developing Windows apps, and a new Content Tabs mode, which allows users to drag tabs out of the application's tab view. As Microsoft has stopped embedding the hard-coded Edge Web View 2 SDK into the WinApps, it has now started offering the Edge Web View 2 SDK as a NuGet to help reduce the size of the apps. Microsoft has also released several bug fixes to ensure a better user experience as well, and with such improvements, Windows 11 App Store should provide a pleasant experience shortly.